Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We are asked to convert this number to base 10. So the first thing we do is to expand the whole number using 2. So that is 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Plus, I'll use this kind of plus to demarcate between the decimal part and the whole number part. So we also have 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Then on the whole number part, start from the last number, the indices, assign indices 0, 1, and 2. Now, after the decimal number, you start assigning -1, -2. If there are more numbers, you keep assigning -3 and others. So 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. 4 times 1, we have 4. 2 raised to the power 1 is 2. 2 times 0, we have 0. 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 times 1. Any number to power 0 is 1, okay? Then multiply 1, you have this. Plus 2 inverse 1 means 1 over 2, okay? Then times 1, you still have 1 over 2. Then 2 inverse 2 means 1 over 4 because 2 raised to the power 4 is 4. Because of the negative, you have 1 over 4. Then multiply it against 1, it is still the same thing. Then let's add up. 4 plus 1 is 5. The LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. You know we are adding fractions, so use LCM to add fractions. Now 2 divide 4 is 2. 2 times 1, we have 2. 4 divide 4 is 1. 1 times 1, we have 1. So that means we have 5 whole number, add here, 3 over 4. This number now is in base 10. From base 2, we converted to base 10. Alright? Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to like this video. Follow for more interesting math tutorials. Meet you in my next video. Bye.